Well, first, over the weekend, it's probably no news to anybody at this point, but it broke its $45,000 ceiling that it was bouncing up against for a long time. What's driving it is a lot of things. You've got geopolitical tensions, you have institutional waves of adoption, and you've got inflation that is not transitory, that's having an impact. We're looking at potential stories about a looming inflation with Treasury bonds inverting as of last week. So should be an interesting run for the next few weeks. Volatility is nothing new in the digital currency or crypto space. So we'll see a lot of movements. There's a lot of economic data coming out this week, specifically to equities. What this may be that folks have been talking about in 2022 is a decoupling of equities and cryptocurrencies. They've been running tandem for the last few months. And this may be that beginning of that divergence between the two. In essence, what it is as a stable coin that's going to need reserves. That's the future of stable coins is that if you're going to list a coin out there, it's got to have some kind of backing or some kind of reserves to it. And the obvious choice for Terra is Bitcoin. So they're trying to fill a $3 billion element of their balance sheet across the next few months, buying 2,000 to 3,000 Bitcoin at a time. They already had somewhere north of 21,000 before this began. So this is going to remind us all that crypto is scarce. It's finite. There's only 21 billion Bitcoin that will ever exist in the market. And if you're buying up $3 billion worth of them right now as an institutional player, that's going to drive up price for sure. We're long-term holders of this. So short-term volatility, when in doubt, you zoom out. And if you did that over the last few months where there was a lot of bearish sentiment, you're going to realize that crypto is continuing its path on an upwards trend for years to come.